The WILNIRY Password Fridge Lock offers a simple yet effective solution. It helps keep little hands out of the fridge. You can also use it on cabinets and drawers. This lock needs no tools or drilling. It uses a password for security. Imagine it as a silent guardian. It stands watch over your snacks. This WILNIRY Password Fridge Lock is easy to install and use. It provides peace of mind. This lock is not just for refrigerators. You can use it in various locations. Think of securing cleaning supplies. Or maybe medicines in a cabinet. It works on windows and doors too. The installation process is quick. You just need to stick it on. No need for drills or screws. The password entry is straightforward. It's like having a secret code. This WILNIRY Password Fridge Lock adds a layer of safety. It helps prevent unwanted access. Overall, the WILNIRY lock is a practical choice. It's great for homes with kids. It can also be useful in other settings. It offers security without damaging surfaces. It's a simple idea that works well. While it won't stop determined adults, it's effective for children. It's a basic yet helpful tool. It's a good way to manage access. It's a worthwhile addition to your home. Pros: password protected, child safety feature, no tools needed, no drilling required, easy to install, strong 3M stickers, won't damage surfaces, multifunctional use, for fridges, cabinets, also for drawers. Windows. Cons: lack of security in some cases, quality concerns, difficult to set combination, wheels hard to turn, instant user experiences, adhesive can be hard to remove, not for frequent access. Renters might not like it, may be unnecessary without kids, initial password not advised to change. Features: password lock, child-proof, for refrigerators, for freezers, for cabinets, for drawers, for closets, for windows, for doors, no tools needed. The WILNIRY refrigerator door lock uses a password to keep fridges, freezers, cabinets, drawers, closets, windows, and doors closed. It helps keep kids safe and stops them from getting into things they shouldn't. You don't need any tools like drills to put it on. It just sticks on. This lock is made to be easy to use and understand. The WILNIRY refrigerator door lock uses a password and strong stickers to keep kids out of fridges, cabinets, and drawers without needing tools or drilling. It's easy to put on and shouldn't damage surfaces. You can even use it on windows. However, some users found it not very secure in all situations, had issues with how well it's made, struggled to set the password, and found the number wheels hard to turn. Also, the sticky part can be tough to remove. It might not be great if you open things often, and renters might not like it. If you don't have kids, you might not need it, and changing the first password might cause problems.